Welcome to my meditation for healing your heart. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let yourself relax into the space you're in. Whether you're sitting or laying down, allow yourself to be fully here in this moment. Begin to let go of any worries or tension, feeling yourself calm down. Now, turn your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and move down slowly, letting go of any tightness. Relax your forehead, soften your eyes, let your jaw loosen, let your neck and shoulders drop, releasing any stress they may be carrying. Let your arms rest by your side, feeling them grow heavier. Relax your chest and stomach. Let your hips, legs and feet feel heavy and fully at ease. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly, sinking deeper into relaxation with each breath. Now focus on the area around your heart. If it feels comfortable, you can place your hand over your chest. Just pay attention to how your heart feels right now. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. As you breathe in, imagine a soft, warm light entering your heart. This light brings healing, love, and peace. Each time you inhale, see the light grow stronger, filling your heart. And with each exhale, imagine letting go of any sadness or heavy feelings you have been carrying. Breathe them out and feel lighter, like those emotions are floating away. Keep breathing deeply, filling your heart with warmth on the inhale and letting go of any pain or hurt on the exhale. Now picture your heart as a soft, glowing space filled with light. Imagine a kind and loving presence with you. Could be someone you know or just a feeling of love. Feel this love wrapping around your heart, helping it heal. Any cracks or wounds in your heart begin to heal gently and slowly. The light around your heart becomes brighter and warmer, protecting you and making you feel safe. It's okay to let go of past pain and open your heart to love again. Repeat these simple phrases to yourself or just let them sink in. I deserve love and healing. I am open to giving and receiving love. I let go of pain that no longer helps me. My heart is strong, my heart is healed. Take a moment to feel the warmth and peace in your heart. Take one last deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel grounded and connected to yourself. Slowly bring your attention back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently stretch if you want. When you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this feeling of healing and peace with you as you go through your day.